So I've been thinking about, well, for one, uh, I'm going to read and review this, especially the first aid part. I was looking at, like, you know, it says a good first aid kit should include, a good kit includes burn ointment, which that's a whole different beast. But yeah, I saw I I had this in my prepping room. I'm like, I want to use a Bowie. I want to have a Bowie in my woods, you know, woods pack. And I decided the Ridge Runner is the one because it is huge, but has a thing that you can actually hold on to process whatever you may need. I'm gonna have to wash this thing. I've not washed that in a while. I can wash it easily. Um, One thing I don't like about the sheath is it's this type of sheath. I hate this. I do. I. I mean, I believe there was a video of a guy that actually uh used like had one of these as his use for a few years, and it was actually pretty good. Wow, God, I need to wipe this down, boy. Hey, ooh, yes I do. Go back. 1 second. I need to wipe this off. I do have situational awareness, and I'm not going to cut myself because it's not really that sharp anyway to begin with. Um, okay. And honestly, just guess I have to fight a bear, right? I mean, it's a decent Bowie. I like the hilt. By the way, I do have my finger on this, and I do have situational awareness. That's actually a nice. I actually forgot what this is called. Bolsters. I believe bolster. It is full tang, which is great. Um, it is kind of big, but that's why I have this. So I can have like it's basically a little dagger type thing. It's a nice little like Bowie, which is pretty nice. Uh, I need to wash it. I need to wash it and oil it. Stainless steel, handmade in China. I don't think so. Oh no, that's just the gray hair. Anyway, that's bolster. By the way, I have my hand. I just see I have my hand right here. Bolster. It's a very nice bolster actually, and it is full tang, so that's good. If you need something for chopping or whatever, this is pretty much gonna be a good, like chopping wood or whatever, or processing games. This would be a pretty nice one. Pretty nice spine for fill rod. Of course, I wouldn't actually use a fill rod for this. Use a smaller knife or scraper. Yeah, I could probably get. I'm actually probably gonna save up for a good one. I do have the Woods Bowie, which is basically the same thing. That needs sharpened. I wonder if it's actually sharp enough. And I don't. How many printer paper? Do I have any printer paper or something? I think I do. At least I want here. Ha! let's use the I forgot that's what a representative was. Let's use this political paper. I just want to see how sharp it is. Jesus Christ, that's still sharp. Because that cut into that like it was nothing. What was wow. Yeah, I'm definitely using this because it's sharp. Anyway, I don't know what kit. I do have, actually, I do have two uh, new book bags. Mom's like, I'm going to order book bags. I'm like, whatever. Wow, that is freaking sharp. That is, wow, that's what takes this edge. And I have not used this, like, ever. So, yeah. God, what was I was gonna test something. Because there's a small tree out, there's a tree out there that's dead and to not go, so I can actually use it. What was I gonna use? Oh, I know. The multi-tool trowel. Because I want to see if that can actually cut a limb. Right? Let me get it. Quick. It should be out here somewhere. What? Okay. Let me put this back in here. Yes, YouTube, I'm using safety by putting it back into the sheet. This. Because I have two of these now. So I bought another one. I want to show you. Come on, son. You know you want to come back out so I can show people this. It's small enough so I can put it in a pack. So might as well use it. Yeah. Let me show you. Okay, so. This is how the teeth are on this. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. Because it's going to be like a crude cutting. And of course, the inches part is where the saw is. Great. Peeler. Vegetable and, I think vegetable and fruit peeler. I mean, if you're out in the woods, I mean, bottle opener. But it's a nice small enough trowel and it's light enough. If you had to, you could use it as a spear and for hunting, and yes, you could. Ooh, let's test that out real quick. I'm interested. Let's see if we do it. But yes, I do have. Yeah, yes, I do. Hello again. Okay, this is made out of cardboard, so let's see if this will actually. And notice this isn't the one that I tested. Let's see if it will actually go into it. Holy crap! Holy crap! Yeah, I put no force on this. Let's go on the side. Holy crap! Let me tilt this up real quick so I can see. Okay. It will go in easily, and you would fall, of course. This is a. Oh, that. This does have tissue in it, but that's okay. Let's see. And there's a hole right there. So that's nice. Oh, wow. I do have situation awareness, and I am not pointing to who I am. Jesus Christ! Yeah, if you're going to use this as a spear, this is what's going to go into the prey that you're hunting. Jeez! Yeah, okay, so here's a knife edge. I don't expect that to be any type of strong. Let's test that out. Holy Jesus. Yeah, I'm testing this out in here because it's easier right now. Let's get the this to see how strong. Oh, I would expect this to be strong at all. Yeah, this is a knife edge. Not sharp. I mean, if you did this, it'll do stuff, but yeah. It's a political ad, so no one cares. Bottle. You know what? I could test the bottle opener right now, actually. 1 second. Am I doing it wrong? Can't remember if I'm actually doing it wrong. This is probably my continuity error. Yeah, it's my error. It's probably my error doing this. Yeah, it is, because I'm not want to get cut. I don't know if this would do it. Ha! I won't be surprised if this does it. It's like slick. Actually, it's like slick, so this is not going to really work as a bottle opener. Unless I do this. Where's my knife I have that? I don't know. Yeah, that's not going to work. Because it's slick. As you see, it's like slick, so that's not going to work. That is definitely not going to work. Not open, so whatever. Yeah, that wasn't going to work because it's like smooth as crap all over. If it was the stainless steel version, yeah, it would. This I can't really test because I actually no, I can't. Okay, I don't know. No. I still don't know what this is for, by the way, at all. But yeah, at least if I need to use this as a spear, holy God, it's gonna go into its Okay, so it's gonna look like this. As you see, there's a so here it's gonna slide and go on to here, and the. I mean, it's gonna. I'm gonna use it. Okay, the last two tests, trowel. I mean, come on. Let's see. I have nothing to. Yes, I do. So I have like 5 freaking books right now. Okay, I have like 5 freaking books. So yeah, let's do this. It's 2 inches. 4 inches. It's about a 6-inch book on the side. Last thing to really test is this. I've not. I would use hex wrenches. This I could probably test. You could probably actually make cordage with this actually if you needed to. So yeah, I would have put this into my rotation of use. I have been reading on. I could probably get the paint off because it's. This won't work because here's the thing. This is not gonna. This wasn't gonna work because of this right here. Because if you do this, you're gonna cut yourself with the saw, which is pointy. You know, which is freaking pointy as crap. I'm gonna use this on wood because it's gonna be easier for me to do that. Yeah. Of course, on the floor. But yeah, I don't expect this to be that good because it's literally paper thin. This works as a spear. from my test. Uh, yeah. Also, sorry for no RP yesterday. I wasn't really feeling it. Sorry. Next time there will be. Hello again. I knew you when so long ago. Will come and go. Was waiting for the world to end. Yeah, I was listening to that last night. It's called Black Sheep by Metric. Oh god, is this? Oh Jesus Christ, is this gonna do? How? Okay, good. Yeah, this will get caught like here. That's stupid. I think I'm gonna get caught in this. That. And yeah, I have a trowel. It's literally this big. It's literally light. It's light as crap. So might as well use it, right? Black sheep, come home. Black sheep, come home. Black sheep, come home. So yeah, I would prefer to test it on wood, the sawn wood. It's a peeler, so it'll probably work because it's like angled anyway. So whatever. Anyway, peace.